Hey, it's Mike DeZinno here, America's Blind Tradesman. And in a few seconds here, I'm going to shamelessly ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully in the next minute I can make the case why you might feel that's a pretty good decision to make. I need your help. I have launched the Million Job Movement, the MJM. It is my personal commitment to help 1 million Americans find a path to a high-paying, rewarding career in one of the many trades that are open right now and looking for dedicated people who want to be in the trades. I'm supporting the MJM with several initiatives. One is the I Love My Tools radio show. It's a call-in show. We talk to people in the trades, men and women, by the way, in the trades, and we bring them on as guests, and we talk about what they're doing. And it's the whole show's geared toward topics and subjects that people in the trades would be interested in. I also have the I Love My Tools how-to video series, where I share some of the tips and tricks that I have learned along the years and some of the modifications I've made to tools and procedures that made it possible for me as a blind person to work in the trades. And you know what you're going to find out? What I found out. Knowing some of these little tricks, things are so easy to do, even a blind guy can do them. The third thing is the Anyone Can Win Entrepreneurial Training Program. For people that want to be self-employed in the trades, I will be teaching the step-by-step plan that I used to build several of my companies using my trade skills to multi-million-dollar status. One company as quickly as 18 months. And I did this having to deal with things that most people would never have to deal with because I couldn't read, I couldn't write, and I never drove. And I built those companies anyway, including I even had to figure out how to self-fund them because no traditional lending source thought it made any sense for a blind guy to be self-employed as a tradesperson. I guess we proved them wrong, didn't we? And so I'm going to ask you right now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join me, lock arms with me. With you and I together, working together, we can all be agents of change, and we can help those great 1 million Americans who need our help right now. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. I'll see you on the other side of the video.